everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass that gives you an item in Roblox Studio. So first of all you need to open your new workspace here in Roblox Studio. After that, make sure to go to File, click on Game Settings, and then you will have an option to save it to Roblox. You need to do it the first one. After that, go here to the server script service, click on plus, and then choose script. Let's delete this code and then paste this code that I will leave you in the I will leave it in the description. After that, let's go back here. We can have this as our script. After that, all you have to do is just to go to Google and then search for create.roblox.com. You will have this page open and then you will have your game here. All you have to do is just to click on the three dots, not three dots. After that, just go to manage experience, wait for it to open, and we will have the settings of our game. You need to scroll down to here to passes and then create a pass. You can change the image of it, make it add a description, but let me just make it here, create pass, and we will have it here. After that, let's click on this pass and then enable item for sale and choose a price for it. Click on proceed. Let's go back here. And then all you have to do is just to copy the pass ID. Let's go back to Roblox Studio here, go to the script, and as you can see, we have a game pass ID. We will change it by the one we copied earlier. After that, let's go back here and then add whatever the item that you want. I will search for the sword, choose the basic sword here, and click OK. And in this option, put this tool into the starter pack. Click no so you can buy it. After that, just click on it, scroll down here in the properties, search for parent. As you can see, it's in the workspace, and all we have to do is just to move it under the script that we added earlier. Let's click on it, and as you can see, we have it here. Let's go back to the script and then change your tool name, and that's all you have to do to make a game pass that gives you an item in Roblox Studio. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you made it and this will work for you. If anything's go wrong, don't mind to ask me in the comments.